The world runs on data. Every business, every industry, every decision. And data analysts, they make sense of it all. If you love spotting patterns, solving puzzles, and using tech to uncover insights, this could be your perfect career choice. But what does a data analyst actually do? Gather and organize data using programs such as SQL, Python, and spreadsheets. Spot patterns and trends, using maths and logic to predict what's next. Tell the story, turn numbers into insights so your team can take action. How do you know if you're the right fit for data analysis? Here's what you'll need to succeed. An analytical mindset, being able to break complex problems down into manageable actions. Technical proficiency, being fluent in databases, programming languages, and spreadsheet tools is a must. Creativity, it's about fresh thinking, smart questions, and seeing what others don't. So how do you get there? Step 1 is to aim for strong A-level results. Subjects such as maths or computing are particularly valuable, while economics and the sciences are also well respected. Most courses require between 88 and 170 UCAS points, which translates to A-level grades ranging from AAA to C, C, D. What Uni lets you check entry requirements for every course, choosing the right degree for your goals. Some courses have accreditations, but the content matters more. Choose your course based on what you'd like to do after uni. Courses include BSc Data Science, Data Analytics, Computer Science with Data or Maths and Stats. What's training like at uni? Year 1, Core Skills. Year 2, Specialise. Year 3, Real-World Projects and Portfolio Work. Look for degrees with real-world briefs, group work and industry links. Explore your options with What Uni. What happens after uni? Top analysts are in demand around the world. From finance and healthcare to sports marketing and engineering, wherever data matters, analysts make an impact. Starting salary, 24 to 30k. Mid-level, 35 to 50k and rising. How can you make your application stand out from the crowd? Build a portfolio. Use real data sets. Internships. Online projects. Show you've got the skills and commitment, not just the grades. So, what now? What Uni helps you compare degrees, course content, placements, and universities. Ready to start your journey? Visit What Uni today.